Alright, here we go to get some fresh spring onion from the little garden. I stick a bunch of shallots into every pot I have. And in a week I have these. They taste so much better fresh. And it's fun, isn't it? It rained last night and brought all the snails and slugs with it. I was hoping to let these leaves grow a little before using them in a noodle soup. But look, these are Malabar spinach or sand choy. Now they look like the leftovers of a snail buffet. Look, they left me one good leaf. Thank you, little garden friends. For the Yachaejeon or Korean vegetable pancake, we'll need one big zucchini, one green chili pepper, half a sweet potato, one small onion, spring onions or bunching onions, 1/4 of a big leek. Shred the leek or cut it into little matchsticks or julienne them. Proceed to do the same with the sweet potato. Orange or purple sweet potatoes would make this real bright and colorful. You could use carrots for that purpose. You could use sweet potatoes of both the colors if you find them. Chop the spring onions into 1/2-inch pieces. You could use up to 1/2 cup spring onions for this recipe. It'll only make the pancake taste better. I like to deseed the chili because sometimes they're pretty hot and I wouldn't want them dominating the pancake's mild flavors. You could skip the chili and add ground black pepper in its place. Now let's get these out of the way into a big dry bowl. Isn't this a rather large zucchini? No, it's not a squash. I love how it keeps its color even after cooking. Unlike many other veggies, bottom off, slice it up, and proceed to chop into matchsticks. Hey little guy, top to bottom, slices, and put them in the bowl, and the veggies are ready. Chop just 1 or 2 mushrooms, fresh shiitake or button mushrooms, any of them will do. These are about 2 cups of chopped veggies, to which we add flour. Don't be too precise, because it depends on the moisture the veggies will give out. So keep 1 cup all-purpose flour ready, of which add just 3/4 cup and mix. 1/2 to 3/4 cup water, also added little by little. Our goal is to bring it to this consistency. Don't add more than 1 cup flour though. Now, on a hot non-stick pan, lightly oiled, spread the mixture evenly, not thick at all, just 1 or 2 matchstick veggies thick. And that's it. Now we wait. Sprinkle oil around and slide it about to let the oil get to its underside. And oh, almost forgot the mushy babies. There you go. And you stick to the pancake. Press them so they don't go flying when we flip the pancake. 5 minutes on a low medium flame. Check if it's golden enough. Look, it's still tender. Another minute. Now oil this side lightly before flipping, so it'll get all crispy underneath, and flip. Phew. This frying smell is making me all hungry. Let's make the dipping sauce real quick then. This is the chili oil flavor bomb I made last week. Man, it was the best idea to leave all the spices in. Look at that color. Now I'm gonna show you 2 variations of the dipping sauce, one spicy and the other mildly sweet. In a bowl, add your gorgeous chili oil. You'll see the link for this chili oil on the top right corner of the screen. I like to keep toasted sesame seeds on hand, ready to use in a glass jar. Don't make big batches though. They lose the fresh flavor and crunch. To the chili oil, add 1 teaspoon white vinegar or 1/2 teaspoon rice vinegar. If you don't have both, go with 1/4 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. 1/2 teaspoon toasted sesame oil is optional. Mix them all up. And this is what I was talking about in my chili oil video. Yachaejeon's ready. Now ready, flip. Wow, look at that. Onto the plate you go. This will taste best right out the pan. This is my favorite premium sweet dark soy sauce. Here's the other variation. 3/4 teaspoon of this to the 2 teaspoon of chili oil and half a teaspoon white vinegar. Can't wait to taste this. Dip it in. Look at that crunchy golden brown. In you go. The pancake's delivered. It's crunchy, those golden sweet potato bits, and the dipping sauce it's just elevating it to a new high. Wow. You guys should absolutely try this. I'm gonna go finish my spicy breakfast now. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and do subscribe. There's loads of Asian recipes on the way. See you soon. Bye.